All right. No wonder you do wheelies so easy.
It loves it, doesn't it? It just
like, yeah, it's just like yeah. Yeah, it's different.
Yeah,
it's just seamless.
You have to
There's no real big hit.
No,
this doesn't have a lot of hit either, and it's not much on top because of the X model.
Yeah,
it doesn't have the compression.
Yeah, and that's what the Yosh pipe did to that. It tamed it down, like it made it so much smoother.
I hear something.
Yeah,
I'll try this one.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to try it?
Yeah.
All right, stay. I'll ride this. Here, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down to the Sunset. That way, right?
Yep. That way. Yep.
Is this doctor in here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys. Yeah, she went on reserve back there.
Oh.
Good thing we did head back.
Yo, that's a good, very good.
Because they put about a gallon or so in it.
Okay, yeah.
And that's good for about 25 miles.
Okay.
I don't know, it's at 100 now, so I don't know what was on it.
Oh my god, this thing wears you the fuck out.
It's beast mode, isn't it?
Oh my god. It is nice over shit.
Uh-huh.
Well, oh man, I need to lay down.
Yeah, you got a lot of power.
Holy smokes, I'm tired.
Here, you want to ride the 250?
I'm gonna lay down.
This went on reserve.
Woo. Seriously. That bike's a little much. Dude, that thing's crazy stiff and it's faster than shit on the road.
Uh-huh.
That thing is fast as shit.
But
Yeah.
it's stiff.
Oh,
The like you said, the front brake
Yeah, it's
and the engine braking.
yeah.
I want to hear
Yep,
what
that's-
did you think about it?
Well, the front brake has gotten really touchy on it. It's you barely have to touch it.
Yeah, you just have to.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, and
It slows down.
and it slows down when you chop the throttle a lot.
Yeah. That's.
It would take me a while to get used to racing that.
Yeah, I always pull a clutch in, so. But out of all the 4-strokes, that's the one. That one has the least amount of engine braking.
Really?
Yeah, the KTM's like almost put you over the bars.
Really?
Yeah, so you're like, eh.
That thing is shit to ride.
That clutch is so nice.
You want to ride it?
No.
You can ride it on the way back.
I'm too tired, huh?
You can ride it on the way back.
I'm a little tired. I better just stay with what I got.
That
I
thing
mean-
just killed me like it was a boss. It was like a boss in a video game and it just killed me. Instantly. That thing is nuts.
Andy's done.
Really fucked my neck up like right away. Why? Because it's like, just over all that shit. I was like, as soon as I
This thing's still fun.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, I know.
The cow, you do not sit down on rough stuff on that.
no,
No.
no. You just paw through it.
So,
Just like get back.
You don't.
up that hill.
Look at these two.
They just beat me up right away.
Because it's stiff or?
I don't know.
Stiffer.